Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are here for the first time, welcome. It is Fatako here with you. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do makeup here in Nigeria. We have different ways of doing makeup here in Nigeria. Some do makeup from brows to lips and from skin work to the lips. So in my tips and my technique on how I do makeup in Nigeria, I'm still going to show you some products I'm using here in Nigeria that make me have a flawless skin and all that. So in today's video, I'm cooperating my friend, my classmate, and my longtime friend. Her name is Ijoma. She's a model already, and I'm using her in today's video. Thank you for coming back to my channel, and I'm so excited in filming with her. So if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look on model Ijoma, just definitely keep on watching. But before we go straight into the video, give this video a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button to join my Fafatas family, because there are a lot of wonderful content coming up to you guys, and hit that bell notification button so you'll be always notified anytime I am posting a brand new video. I love you guys, and definitely keep on watching.